Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a cinematic analog color grading for your videos in CapCut. So after you import your clips, you can just go to adjust and use these settings that I'm going to show you. First, for the brightness, lower it to -10, contrast -30, and saturation increase it to 10. Now exposure -10, sharpen 30, and now click on the HSL for the red color. Increase the saturation and hue to 25. Click on the orange one and hue 25. Saturation 30 and luminance 15. And now click on the yellow one, lower the hue into -25. And saturation -30. And click on the blue color, now hue -30 and saturation 25. Okay, and now click on go back and click on the grabs on the white color. Use this curve. Sorry about that. Okay, go back and now go to highlight and increase it to 25. Shadow -15, temp -10, and now add some vignette effect around 25. Lastly, add some grain around 30. Okay, so now you are done, and here is the final look for the camera and analog color grading. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope the simple tutorial would be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click like, thanks, and also subscribe. Bye bye.